Hi, honeys. It's Michelle. I am here today to go over my next Dia and Co box with you. It is a $20 a month styling fee, and that gets credited towards anything that you purchase. Anything you don't purchase, you get to send back for free. They pay for the shipping and handling. They send you a bag that looks like this that you can put anything that you don't want to keep in. When you do get your box, you have 5 days to decide what you want to keep. And there is a 25% discount that is applied towards your order if you buy the entire box. If you haven't ordered a box from Dia and Co before, I do have a link down in my description box down below that you can click on to sign up with an account. If you do use that link, I do get some credit towards my account. So I just wanted to let you know, I want to be 100% honest with you guys and provide full disclosure. My stylist name is Stephanie, and she wrote me the following letter here that came in my box. It says, "Hi Michelle, welcome back to another Dia box. I loved watching your unboxing video and seeing you rock all of the looks from your last box. So sorry that I still missed the mark on a few of the pieces. Hopefully this box will better capture your unique style." I am a little different, huh? "I saw that you are looking for some fall-inspired pieces, so I wanted to include some great transitional pieces that still work for the warmer Vegas climate. First are the gorgeous teal skinny jeans. Team these with the off-the-shoulder floral top and a strappy heel for a fun and sassy date night look. For a day on the go, add the lace-up sleeve top and a fun block heel. For a Pinterest-ready look, pair the navy dress with the plaid shirt tied at the waist and add a lace-up heeled booty. I always love reading your feedback. I can't wait to hear what you think of my latest picks. Stephanie." All right. I'm gonna go get out of my pajamas, put a bra on. Yeah, I'm wearing my pajamas. And show you these clothes. Here's the first look. This is an off-the-shoulder top. I'm wearing a strapless bra, although you could wear a camisole or with a bra under it if you wanted. This has a graduated ruffle sleeve, or I guess you could call it a gypsy sleeve, maybe. It's pretty, right? Very Stevie Nicks, guys. Very Stevie Nicks and flowy. Oh, now this has no stretch to it. The only stretch is right here. There is a band of elastic, and then along the arms there's a smaller band of elastic. Here's an up close view of what the pattern looks like on the shirt. This top is the Cameo brand. It's the Rachel off the shoulder top. The color is navy and purple. Sorry, I'm looking down. That's where I have my sheet. It's in a 2X and it's $55. I do really like this top. Now, I will say though, if you do much movement, it'll slide up. But even if it slides up, that's still cute, right? I think it's cute. Now, the material doesn't have any stretch to it. There's no pockets on the shirt, although who cares, right? But I really love the sleeves on this. I just feel like it just makes me feel free, like I'm a kid again. Just, hi, look at me. I like it. It makes me feel pretty. I'm sorry, let me say that again. It makes me feel pretty. Not very many things do, so that's pretty exciting. I'm just saying, just throwing that out there. I also like that it's a little bit looser. I know. They say wear tighter clothes when you're plus size because it's more flattering. I don't know. Yeah, I guess. But I think as long as there's a rule that I've read recently where it's okay to wear a loose fitting top if what you have on the bottom is tight, or if what you wear on the bottom is loose and the top is tight. And I thought, that's a really good point. I don't mind a big shirt, like a loose shirt, if I'm wearing leggings or jeggings or something slim fitting on the bottom. And same with pants. I don't mind real baggy pants if I have a tighter top on. Onto the pants that I'm wearing. These are the compression fit jegging pants. They're supposed to compress the tummy and make it look smaller, which I guess it definitely does that. And it's supposed to do a butt lift. Not seeing a butt lift on me. I usually have a bigger butt. I feel like it makes my butt look smaller or flatter. Here's the back of the buns. Yeah. How does this make my butt look smaller? I don't know. It's kind of weird. Also, as you guys know, this is always something that kills it for me. These pockets are not functional. They are just for looks. So I'm probably not going to be getting these pants. Here's the length on them. The length is nice. I mean, they're cute pants. They just... Also, these ones are high rise. They go over my belly button, which is really nice. The brand is Curve Appeal, and they are the Bergen skinny jean in a teal in a size 18, and they're $59. This top is it's a slightly high-low tee. It's got a crew neck collar, and it's got lace-up sleeves, which I'll show you closer up in a second. But here it is from the side, in the back. I like this pattern. Let me get on my tippy toes so you can see it. Here's the sleeve. See how it laces up? It's got nice thick trim on here. This is the Downing Studio Amina short lace-up sleeve tee in black and charcoal gray in a 2X, and it's $52. Here's the next item. All right, so this is a sheath dress with open lace-up detail on the sleeves. It doesn't have any slits or pockets, which I think probably would actually help create a smoother look. I honestly don't like sheath dresses that have pockets because I feel like it makes my hips look bigger, and I need them to look the size they are or smaller. You know what I'm saying? It's just a little too much when they look bigger. I do really like this dress, although my husband doesn't like it. So that's going to be a no for me, even though I personally love it. He says that from the waist up, he likes the way it looks. Like if it was a shirt, he likes the open arm and the detail. It's got the 3/4 sleeves, which he and I both like. We both like this color on me too. The problem is how it looks down here and down below. It's just doesn't look right on me. I guess I have to agree with him on that. But I was thinking a long necklace like this would be so cute with this, right? Isn't that cute? Like a necklace that's a little bit longer with a dress like this. Now, Stephanie did recommend putting this top with this dress. So I'll show you how it looks. I'm not really a fan of it myself, but just in case. I guess I feel like this dress is a little bit dressy for the plaid top to go with it. Like I get where she's gone with it and I love the idea of it. For me personally, it just doesn't look right on me. Like I'm sure there's some people that could totally pull this off. But I guess I just feel like if there's any part of you that doesn't feel like you can pull something off, you can't pull it off. So because I feel that way, I can't pull this off. I think if I put this with jeans and a tank top, I could put it around my waist or I could wear it further up and I would feel great in it. But over this dress, I'm just not really thinking it works well. So as far as the dress goes, this is the Downing Studio Anaheim 3/4 lace-up sleeve dress in navy. Now it says navy/navy, so it might come in other colors. Like something with a print, perhaps? Just guessing. And it's in a 2X and it's $59. I'm so bummed that Brad doesn't like this though, to be honest. I love this dress. I really do. But in a way to cut down on spending on clothing, I only buy stuff that he likes. Plus, that's one of the great ways to keep a relationship spicy is to dress the way your spouse likes. So I only go for things I like, and then I try them on, and then if he likes them, then I keep them or I buy them. But if, so I'm still being me, I'm still expressing myself, but I need him to think what I'm wearing looks good. So, all right, I'm going to show you this. I wanted to show you what this top would look like over something. So I'm going to put something on and I'll be right back. Here's the plaid top. I just threw some leggings on. I would probably wear jeans with this, but just to give you an idea. And then I tucked in a red tank top. This is not flannel, this is cotton. So it's very lightweight. There is no stretch to it. And it does have cuffs that roll up. It's got the roll up tab cuffs where there's this little tab on here. You can roll up the cuffs and then button it up here. And this does have real buttons that are functional. Now, I don't know, this fits perfect standing up, but I think if I sat down, it would pull apart. So if I were to buy this shirt and keep it, I would probably only wear it over things like this or around my waist. Here's an up close look of the plaid. Here's the back. Do you see it? I don't know if I'm tall enough to show you here. Hold on. It has buttons right here that go all the way down. And these are real buttons. No, they are. These are real buttons. So if you wanted to unbutton the back of it, you could. I don't know why you'd want to, but the buttons go all the way down to the bottom. I like that extra detail. I think it's super cute. Okay. Now just for fun, I will show you what this looks like. Tied around my waist with leggings on, just so you can get a feel for how it looks. So there you go. This is a cozy top though. It feels cozy without being hot. So I kind of like that it's not flannel and it's cotton. I also, let me put my arm straight down here. This is where the arms go on me when my arms are down. And as I've mentioned before, I have very long arms. So that's good that they go that far down on my hand. And then they can roll. And I really like that you can roll them all the way up to a quarter sleeve. And then where's the button? It's here somewhere. And then right here is the button. So you can button that up like that. This is the Meri Skye brand. It's the Rosaria 3/4 sleeve, rolled sleeve, button back, button down top in navy and red, and a 2X, and it retails for $55. I'm kind of thinking if I were to wear this with a dress, maybe one that's a little bit shorter and tighter. Something above the knee and tighter, maybe? Like a sweater dress? Even if it was a little longer, if it was tighter. I think that was Brad's thing. He just felt like it was a little loose. All right, let's take a look at what it would cost to get everything. All right, so if I got everything in this box, it would be, the total for all the merchandise is $280. Minus the $20 styling fee, minus the 25% off discount for getting the whole box, which would be $70 off. So the total for the entire box, sorry. So the total for the entire box would be $190. What do you guys think? If you were me, what would you keep? I'm leaning towards the off-the-shoulder top, the lace-up tee on the side with the flowers on it, and this top. Those are the three things that I'm going to have the harder time living without. I'm going to give it a day or two and think about it and then decide. But as always, I'm curious what you think. What do you like? What do you think I should keep? Do you like any of it? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these outfits. And I'll be back next Wednesday with some more clothes for you. Bye.